What's up, guys? Today is Tuesday. We're on Mr. Joe's truck. He took the day off. We took the day off yesterday, so let's take a look and see what he's got.
I hope you all enjoyed your weekend. I know I did. I could have used one whole day off just to rest from that, but we had friends and family over. We've done a lot of cool things, but I hope you guys all had a great holiday. That was about. You have a good holiday?
Yep.
All right. Clay, you did?
Oh, yeah.
All right. That's what counts. I got a couple of tools to show you, and then I got something to ask you all about. First off, I got great Pneumatic.
Oh, yeah.
3-piece locking extension set.
We like gray Pneumatic.
Yep, 1/2-inch drive, 3, 7, and 12-inch.
Okay.
That's pretty much what anybody makes in 1/2-inch drive for locking extensions.
Right.
$118 for the 3-piece set.
That's not bad.
$118.
Master bit set.
I got a Gearwrench torque set. You got your regular torques, your tamper proof, you got your inverted. Oh, maybe there's no tamper proof. But what it does have is Allen's metric and standard. Up to 3/8 and 10 millimeter.
What's the torque screw up to? 50? 55.
T55. And these sockets is E18 down to E4.
That's a good set right there.
$150. I got a blowout on 2 of these. $150.
Sweet. That's cheap enough on that.
All right. It has been mentioned to me a time or two before. I pull out my favorite windbreaker because it's hot, it rains, you got to be dry, you got all kinds of, equipment to wear, and it'd be coming down, you need to just be dry if you're getting in and out all the time. But my jacket is my good old Cornwall jacket, and they made this here design. That's why I have this on this in my truck off of my big truck. So I've been talking to the guys here about getting a windbreaker type jacket. So it's lightweight, just something you can wear on a hot day and it's raining, you need to stay dry. But looking at having a regular single color Joe's AllStar tools here. We'll have a flag. I pick facing forward because we're always going forward. A flag on the shoulder, and then the large full color Joe's AllStar tools. Now, just so we don't forget what that looks like, that's what we're talking about. So it'll be this here on the jacket.
Okay.
But setting up a multi-color on a jacket is a bit expensive, but I figure if we can get 10 to 15 orders on jackets, that way we can kind of all share the cost. I'm not going to be the only one having them. If I can get a run, if it's more than that, it'll be cheaper, but I'm going to get a price for like 10, 15, setting up the colors, the flags, everything on it, various sizes, and even for the big men out there, it can even go up to 4X.
Okay.
So if you're looking to get a windbreaker, a cool looking jacket, have Joe's AllStar tools on it, just let me know you'd be interested. It'll give me an idea if I'm going forward this on account or I'm just getting one.
Okay.
I'd rather get a whole bunch for everybody. What do you think? Cool idea?
Cool idea.
Cool idea?
Cool idea.
All right, we're going to just go with cool idea. Thank you, guys. Have a great week, and we'll be back on Sync next Monday.
There you go. All right, guys, like always, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, check the links down below. You guys have a great one, and it's time for us to get back to work. Y'all have a good one.